Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically share tweets from Twitter to Facebook groups with image and text. So here we want that whenever a new tweet is added into the Twitter account, automatically using the same message, a post should be created into the Facebook group also. Here we have two options. Either do this manually, take the details of your tweet, go to your Facebook group and create a post and then post it manually, okay? Or create an automation so that whenever a new tweet is added into the Twitter account, automatically the same message will be posted into the Facebook group also. But here we have a problem that there is no direct connection between Twitter and Facebook. So how the data will be transferred from Twitter to Facebook automatically? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Twitter with Facebook automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Twitter account and this is the Facebook group which I manage. Okay, yoga sessions. Now I want that whenever I create a new tweet over here, automatically the same message should be posted into my Facebook group also over here. Okay, so now let us create a tweet. Just go to tweet. I'll just type the message over here. So I have just written a message. Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better you practice, the brighter the flame. So along with this message, I want a media also, a picture to be posted. So I'll just select the media. I want to paste this picture. I'll just open it. Okay. And now let's click on tweet. So here we can see the message. Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better you practice, the brighter the flame. The message is posted over here. Now let us check our Facebook group also. I'll just go to my Facebook group. I'll just refresh this page. So yes, here we can see the message. Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better your practice, the brighter the flame. So the message along with the picture is posted over here. So here you might be wondering that I just created a post into my Twitter account and automatically the same message along with the picture is posted into my Facebook group also. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So here at step 1, connect Pabbly Connect with Twitter. So at step 1, first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Twitter account. Okay. At step 2, collect the data from Twitter in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Twitter account. Step 3, send your Twitter data to Facebook groups. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Twitter account, the same data will be forwarded to the Facebook groups also. Okay, it will be sent to the Facebook groups and a post will be created. So in this way, we will be creating an integration between Twitter and Facebook groups using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here, as you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. In the all apps section, we have to scroll down, come to connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So I'll just give the workflow name as Twitter to Facebook groups. So you can give the workflow name as per your requirement also. And now let us click on create. Here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new message is posted into the Twitter account, automatically the same message should be posted into the Facebook groups also. So in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Twitter. In the trigger event, we have to select new tweet. And now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Twitter. Now as I have already logged into my Twitter account, it is asking for the authorization. So I'll just authorize Pabbly Connect to access your account. Yes, I want to authorize. I'll just click on authorize app and I'll give the access to Pabbly Connect to connect to my Twitter account. Authorization successful. Okay. And now let us click on save and send test request. Now here I want to give you an important information that Twitter use polling and it will retrieve the latest data over here. Okay, but in the real time it works correctly. Here we can see the data which is captured. I'll just show you the post also. 10 plus best subscription management in AMP recurring billing. This post data has been captured over here. Okay, I'll just maximize the text and I'll show it to you. Okay. Yes, this one. 10 plus best subscription management AMP. So this message is posted, this post is captured over here in Pabbly Connect. Now this data can have, this post can have media, URL, images. So to apply the condition over here in the action window, we are going to select routers. Okay. So let us select the router here. So here we can see route 1 and route 2. So here we can set the conditions. Okay, I'll just rename these routes. Okay, I'll just click on rename, and the route 1 I'll be giving the name as if media exist. And I'll just click on update, and in route 2 I'll just rename it and I'll give the name as if media not exist. So in this case, we are applying the conditions that if media exists, then what needs to be done, and if media does not exist, then what needs to be done. Okay. Now we are going to click on this set filter and action steps. Here, if media exists, we have to select the label, filter type and value. So in select label, we are going to select come to Twitter and we have to select media URL. And here we are going to select entities, media 0, media URL. I'll just click on this. In the filter type, we are going to select is exist. Okay. If this media exists, now let us click on save and send test request. Here the status is success and the message is condition is true. Okay. Now here it means that when we go to our message, here we have the media, this picture along with this this description message. So here it is showing the condition as true, that yes, it has the media. Okay. And now what if the media exists, what needs to be done? So here we have to come to this plus sign, add application. In the application name, we have to select Facebook groups. Here in the action event, we have to select post photo. Now let us click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook groups. Authorization successful. Okay. And now it is showing as connected. Here we can find group, photo URL and description options. Okay. So let me take you to my Facebook group first. This is my Facebook group, doctors group. Now I'll give you an important information that we can post into the groups which we have already created. Okay. We cannot post the messages to the groups to whom we have joined. Only the groups which we are managing, we can post into those groups. To create an integration between our Facebook group and Pabbly Connect, we have to come to our Facebook group first, that is the doctors group. We have to come to settings option, which is given at the last. I'll just click on this. Here scroll down and come to the last option, that is manage advanced settings. And here in the apps section, we can see no apps are installed. So we just have to come to here, click on this group apps and click on Add Apps. In the search window, we have to select Pabbly Connect. Now click on this Pabbly Connect app. Add app to this group. It is asking, yes, we want to add, and click on Add. Add it successfully to this group. Okay, now let me take you to my home page of this group. I'll just refresh this page, and here we can see that a application, that is third party app, that is Pabbly Connect, is added to this group. Okay, so now we have created an integration between Pabbly Connect and our Facebook group. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Here we can see various groups which I manage on my Facebook. So here we have to select the same group, doctors. So here we have to select the photo URL. Let's click on this and come to, let's search for media URL, which we have searched previously also. Media URL. So we have to again map this, entities, media 0, media URL. I'll just click on this. Now here we have to give the description. So I'll just map the description. Okay, and I'll map this text over here. And now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. Here we can see the responses received. Okay, now let us check our Facebook group. I'll just go to my Facebook group. I'll refresh this and I'll just scroll down. Here we can see the text, the description along with this images posted over here. Okay, so our first condition is set, that if the media exists, then go to this Facebook group, post this photo along with the description. This is done. So let's click on Done. Now for the second condition, if media not exist. So let us click on Set Filter and Action Steps. Here in the select label, we have to again select the same media URL. This one, entities, media 0, media URL. I'll be mapping this. In the filter type, we are going to select does not exist. Okay, and now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. So here we have received the message, condition is false, means if media does not exist, then what needs to be done? So in the add application, click on this plus sign. In the application name, we have to select Facebook groups. In the action event, we have to select post message. Now let's click on connect. Here again we have to click on add new connection, connect with Facebook groups, authorization successful. Okay, now it is showing as connected. Here again it has captured all the groups which I own on my Facebook account. So again I will be selecting the same group, okay, because we have already created the integration between Pabbly and this Facebook group, okay, by adding the application Pabbly Connect. So I'll be selecting this doctors group again, okay. Now in the message, I will be mapping the details of the text. What will be the message? So this will be the text. Okay. Now in the link, I am not giving anything. If you want to attach any link, you can give it over here. I'm just leaving it as blank. Okay. And let us click on Save and Send Test Request. So here we can see the responses received. Okay. Now let us go to our Facebook group once again. Let us refresh this page and check whether we have received some message over here or not. Okay, and this time we can see the message, the description, 10 plus best subscription management ANP recurring billing software via Pabbly 18. So this message is posted but no media is posted. Okay, in the previous step it was posted along with the photo, and this time it is posted just simply a message. So here we have set both the conditions, if media exists and if media does not exist. Let's click on Done. So the first condition is if media exists, then post the photo as well as the description, and if media does not exist, then only simply post the description. Now let us check this in the real time. Okay, I will just go to our Twitter account and let's create a tweet over here. I'll just type the message as food and nutrition are the way that we get fuel, providing energy for our bodies, and along with this I'll just select a image, okay, this file, and let's click on tweet. So here we can see food and nutrition are the way that we get fuel, providing energy for our bodies. So it is posted over here in our Twitter account. Now let's move to Facebook group and check whether the same message along with this picture is posted over there or not. I'll just go to my Facebook, and yes, here we can see the same message. Food and nutrition are the way that we get fuel, providing energy for our bodies. This message along with this image is posted over here also. So now let us move to Pabbly Connect and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new tweet is created into the Twitter account, automatically the same message should be posted into the Facebook groups also. For this, we have used routers for setting the conditions that if media exists, what needs to be done, and if media does not exist, what will be the steps to be taken. Okay, so in this way, we have created a successful integration between Twitter and Facebook groups automatically using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of this workflow and Pabbly Connect is available in the description box. You can clone this same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.